Hello YouTube family, this is Rev from my Rev It Up Mustang Fanatic Productions, and you know what time it is. Rev it up.
Is brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man. I won't sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to.
Okay, as you can see, I got the car on one jack stand because my oil pan bolt was on that side. You can see my catch can right there, so the oil's going to drain out that way. And it is a 1/2-inch wrench to loosen up the bolt, which is right there where you see the wrench on. So we're going to turn that and we're going to let the oil drain out. Okay, so we broke it loose. So now we're going to pull the plug out and we're going to let the oil drain. And she's draining. Okay, this is the oil filter and it comes out with the cap. But you got 3 seals. One right there, a small one on the end right there. Then you got another one right there. And then you got one right here. And this just clicks right in place. And so the new filter goes right down in there. Move a couple of hoses out of the way, felt right in place, and screw it in by hand. That way you don't cross thread it. Beautiful, going in good. Alrighty, now let me get my. So here's the oil cap where we will fill the oil at, and I just choose oil little cap to put the oil in so it won't spill. And like I said, this takes 5.8 quarts of oil for a 2C30K. So we got Mobile 1 synthetic oil, 5W30. And this is 5 US quarts, and then we got 1 quart we're going to take and use up about almost 8/10 of it. We're going to leave 2 liters in, and then we'll know we're full. So let me see if I can show you a good look at this. There we go. You see that line right there where it says 200 mil? Well, the line just before that, that will be 5.8 gallons. That will be 0.8 gallons right there, because we wanted 25 mils. 25 mils is the second line from the top. You see 28 right there, and then that line right there in the middle on the right hand side, that's 25 mils. So that when you get it down here, you want to leave just that eighth of a milliliter, eighth of a what do you call that? A pint, eighth of a pint or something in there. Right at that second line, you got 4. Let's see if I can focus in. That 4 right there, that line above 4, that right there would be 0.8 quarts. So now I know I got 5.8 quarts in here. We're going to start her up, and we're going to check her for leaks, let her run. Okay, she got 5.8 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic Mobil 1 oil in her. She got a brand new air filter in her. She's got brand new oil filter in her. She's got brand new coolant. Coolant reservoir has dropped down some, so when we start the engine, we're going to fill that back up and keep an eye on that so we can have the correct amount of antifreeze in there. So we know we got 5.8 quarts of oil, 5.8 quarts of oil, and we got 4 brand new spark plugs in her. So she is super clean now. Everything is running good. We're going to clear all the codes off her and let her run. And then the customer, I got a guy that does a good paint job. The customer wants this painted, so it's going to be off to paint today, this afternoon sometime. And what's the day? Wednesday. I believe we can get it back by Friday or Saturday. So we're going to give you a good look at what it looks like outside now, and then when it comes back after, the headlights are going to be cleaned up. So she's going to be looking good when she gets back. Incidentally, we backed her in so we had enough room to put the big Daytona jack under there and jack it up, and in case I had to leave, I can shut the garage door down, which I did have to leave. And so now I'm going to close the hood up, and I'm going to pull her out, and I'm going to nose her in and keep her eye and see if anything's leaking. If nothing's leaking, then the belly pan, which is here, we're going to clean that belly pan up, and we're going to put that belly pan back underneath her, and she'll be good to go. Alrighty, and we're going to let the exhaust go outside instead of being inside here. Okay, the coolant is up to snuff. We got no leaks. The oil pan bolt, no leaks under there. So she's been running for about 10 minutes. Sounds and looks good. So we're gonna take our belly pan, which is right here. We're gonna take and clean this up. And we're gonna put that belly pan back up, and we're gonna be all done with this, and we're gonna take it off to the paint job. Okay, we got her jacked up again on 2 jack stands, the whole front end, so we can get this belly pan on. I had it sitting level, and I checked the computer, and it said this vehicle level, the engine oil is at the correct level. So there's no leaks of antifreeze, there's no leaks of oil. So now the belly pan we're gonna put up, and you got these 8mm screw heads, post-speedos, but they got a couple of regular screws to go in there. One day I'm gonna find the rest of these 8mm bolts. They're easier to screw in. So we're gonna put this pan up, and then we're gonna take her out and let you get a once around her to see how she looks before we take her off with the paint, and we'll get her back then. Okay, so the last thing I'm doing, I got my Innovate 5610 scan tool, and we're going to link up to the car, and we're going to erase all the codes that are in there. And there's only one code pending, and that's air injection, secondary air injection system. And well, I never had that code before. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. So that has to do with the air filter. I guess I didn't hook up correct or something. So again, let's just do the service check. We at the Mercedes Benz. Yes. Okay, so it's scanning through here. Okay. Engine oil, I got 5.7 millimeters in there, so we're very close to what you're supposed to have, 5.8. So oil level is decent. So that's good. Oil life remaining. Okay, let's go back. We want to reset. We want to reset the oil. Turn engine number 2, but do not start engine. Use the page button to the steering wheel to display the mileage. Press the down arrow button until you see service indicator wrench symbol comes on. Using the page button, steering wheel display, press down arrow button to show the indicator comes on. Press and hold the reset button on the left side. I can't see the display here well enough. I can't see I can't see it. The display is not very good on here, so I can't tell what I would be scrolling to. So no sense in doing that. I can't even see that. So let's just get back to the menu. And what we'll do, we're gonna clear all the DCT codes out of here. Erase was successful. So all codes are clear, and we're good. So we're gonna crank her up. So we cleared all the codes in here. So I'm just gonna place this on mileage, which is right there, and we'll leave it there. And we're gonna back her out and we'll give you a good look at it. So here's a good look at it before she goes to paint. I don't know if you can see this, but the clear coat on the trunk, the hood rather. Here's the front view, the headlights. Here's the side view. We got little scuffy, little small dent there, little dent there, scratches right there, little scratches right here. And again, on the hood, clear coat peeling. The bumper, this side is virtually clean, and the top, the clear coat's peeling, and in front of the sunroof. So that's a good look all the way around her. So when she comes back from paint, you'll see what she looks like. All right, rev it up, Mustang Fanatic Productions. We'll see you on Saturday, probably Friday or Saturday with it. And as always, we thank you for watching our videos. We hope you like the videos that we're presenting to you. We try to bring you cutting edge technology and bringing you the best of Mustangs, old cars, and motorcycles. But mostly Mustangs, because we're Mustang fanatics. So if you like the channel, hit the like button and then subscribe. God bless. Have a wonderful day. This is Rev with Rev It Up Mustang Productions. God bless.